this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. This week sees a release of official third quarter growth figures of the UK economy, providing some of the clearest signals yet as to just how much the economy outperformed pre-referendum forecasts. Experts are expecting the Office for National Statistics to find that the UK economy grew by 0.3%, with more optimistic economists expecting a 0.4% increase. If predictions are met, ONS figures would represent a significant contrast to the 0% growth and even the outright contraction that many anticipated would occur if Britain voted to leave the EU. Despite short-term statistics suggesting the UK economy is in good health, experts expect the economy to grow by just 1% next year as its slowdown intensifies due to the effects of a weaker pound beginning to hit consumers. In other Brexit news, leading lobby groups have stated that there is nothing to stop UK-based banks relocating elsewhere, with such an occurrence seen as an inevitable consequence of the vote to leave the EU. Ali Ranison, head of Europe and Trade Policy at the Institute of Directors, has stated that the government is not giving any clear signs that it could extend to businesses before negotiations begin, and with the length of negotiations remaining unclear, numerous banks cannot afford to wait until Britain has concluded its new relationship with the EU to make their decision. Deutsche Bank will release its own quarterly figures on Thursday, with the German lender expected to announce a loss of £543 million. Analysts also forecast a yearly loss of €1.4 billion for 2016. Investors will be keeping an eye on the bank's ongoing negotiations with the US Department of Justice over its huge $14 billion fine. In indices news, the UK 100 is currently trading up at today's open, around 7,050 mark. Germany 30 is also trading higher than its open, at around 10,800. Whilst the France 40 has kept the trend going, trading at around 4,570. In corporate news, AT&T, its deal with Time Warner, will likely come under scrutiny by US authorities. Microsoft is set to increase UK business prices in the wake of the weakening pound. Rockwell, the US aircraft components maker, has agreed a $6.4 billion deal with B/E Aerospace. Royal Philips beat quarterly free expectations after the Dutch giant span off its lighting business. In upcoming data, French PMI data is revealed at 8 AM. At 8:30, German PMI figures are released. At 9 o'clock, Eurozone PMI is announced. At 11 AM, UK CBI Industrial Trend Survey results are published. At 2:05 PM, US Fed member William Dudley gives his speech. And at 2:45 PM, US Manufacturing PMI is revealed. Thank you for listening.